Hi, this is Ronnie with Plan to Eat, and this is a short clip from our Summer Ready Summit that happened at the end of May 2026. The goal of the summit was to help families prepare for the busy and unpredictable schedule that can happen in the summer. So, our speakers focused on different meal planning strategies, how to avoid picky eating, best practices for grocery shopping to save money, as well as meal prep and other things. So, we're sharing these clips with you to help you have an idea of what the summit was about and learn a little bit of what the audience learned at our Summer Ready Summit. There's a link in the description to learn more about the speaker in this clip, and we hope you enjoy.
What are some common sense things we can do to reduce our food budget? I think one of the most important things to do is to keep our pantry and our fridge organized and cleaned. This is easier said than done, and it is in our house. If we're keeping our fridge organized, we are using our perishables before they go bad. This saves us money by reducing waste. If we're keeping our pantry organized, for example, if we need a can of tomatoes for a recipe and one is hidden behind a box of cereal, if we put it on our shopping list and buy it, we're really spending money we didn't need to spend. We can plan our meals in advance. Most supermarkets come out with their weekly ad on Wednesday, and rather than going to the supermarket and grabbing the flyer, we can go online, see what's on sale, and plan our meals accordingly. We can shop from a list. This is really hard for my husband. Every time he goes to the store, he has to come home with something that's not on a list. We can get a loyalty card and take advantage of everything our supermarket has to offer. For example, now Kroger has 4-time fuel points if you shop on Fridays, so shopping on Fridays makes sense. We can buy the store brands. This is really hard for me because as the daughter of a grocer, I spent many nights sitting around the kitchen table blind testing different brands to see which is the best. We can pay attention to prices. Produce prices have not gone up as much as meat, seafood, and chicken, so we can eat more fruits and veggies, which will make our doctor happy. Let's talk about price checking. Where would have been the cheapest place for little Billy to buy those chocolate chip muffins? I priced them at Costco, at Sam's Club, and that day King Soopers or Kroger had a buy one, get one free. Sometimes we're fooled into thinking that the big box stores are going to have the cheapest prices. But you can see now that if little Billy would have purchased her Entenmann's Little Bites chocolate chip muffins at Kroger at a buy one, get one, she would have saved quite a bit of money. Unlike little Billy, we want to avoid the pre-cut, pre-packaged fruits and vegetables. There's a lot of expense that goes into cutting, washing, and prepping the veggies, as well as a packaging expense. I did a price comparison on broccoli just to show you the difference between loose broccoli and pre-packaged broccoli. The day I did the price comparison, loose broccoli was $1.49 a pound, while the pre-packaged broccoli was in a 32-ounce package for $4.99 or almost 50 cents more per pound. There are some things we do want to buy at the big box store. My daughter buys a lot of Nature Valley sweet and salty granola bars. For example, we're fooled sometimes into thinking that the biggest box, the one that has the most bars, is going to be the cheapest. Costco has a 48 count, which if you divide it out by bar is 36 cents per bar, where Sam's, if you divide it out, is 31 cents per bar. So we want to be sure and check for unit prices. Besides checking prices, what else can we do? The FDA believes the average family can save $1,500 to $2,000 a year by reducing waste. They believe Americans waste about 1 pound of food a year, or that 1/3 of our food supply is wasted at the manufacturer, supermarket, restaurant, and home cook level. The most commonly wasted foods are fresh produce, leftovers, milk, and dairy.